The definition of current is that electric current is the charge passing a point per unit time, and it's given by the equation I equals Q over T. To measure the flow of current, the current flows through an ammeter. In this simple diagram, we can see that as the charge leaves the cell, it flows through the wires, through the ammeter and back to the cell. Now the convention is based on positive charge, so we imagine conventional current going from positive to negative in the circuit. This gives a positive value for current when it goes through the ammeter. In real electrical circuits, it is negatively charged electrons that move, so electron flow is in the opposite direction to conventional current. So the electrons will leave the negative terminal of the cell, flow through the ammeter and return to the cell.